Your news, your music, your station.
Radio Thailand, FM 88.
Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government. This is Radio Thailand News.
Swadee Cup. Today is Friday, August 6th, 2021, and this is Radio Thailand's Evening News Hour.
And I'm Benjamin Ruchopagan.
Making the national headlines. Their Majesties the King and Queen present funds as financial aid for supporting COVID-19 related facilities. Meanwhile, the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration reports 21,379 new cases of COVID-19, with 191 new fatalities.
Looking at the global scene, Myanmar's UN ambassador says a threat has been made against him as U.S. authorities step up his security.
On the business agenda, the SET index sees a 5% overall increase in the first 7 months of this year, above the regional average.
Our featured Thailand in Perspective today is on inscription of Patreshko Forest Complex, the World Heritage List.
We will now give you the details on those headlines and many more.
Royal News.